To learn more about this property, click on the link on the towers remaining in this development. Don't forget to The Azure is truly your best bet for that resort-inspired vacation, resort-inspired lifestyle. Welcome to another episode of Condo Goals. My name is Jules and I'll be more than happy to show you around. We're here right now at the Azure Urban Resort Residences in the heart of Parañaque. Developed by Century Properties, this 9-tower, 6-hectare development is just right off the Bicutan exit of the Southern Luzon Expressway and just 30 minutes from the airport. Today, we're going to take a look at a 2-bedroom unit here in Boracay Tower, one of the last 2 towers remaining in this development. By the way, don't forget to subscribe down below or follow us on Instagram at Condo Goals for more content. But right now, let's just take a quick pause and appreciate the fact that in Azure, you also have your concierge. And did you also know that every tower in Azure has a unique lobby design in theme with the tower name? Now that's what you call a grand entrance. Now let's check out this unit. Condos in Azure come in 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom, or 3-bedroom unit configurations. So you can choose a layout that best suits your needs. They also have 2 options, standard bare or fully furnished. So right now we're going to check out the 2-bedroom unit. We're here inside a 2-bedroom fully furnished unit here in Boracay Tower in Azure, and it has a floor area of 40 square meters with a total floor area of 50 square meters including the balcony. For your fully furnished package for your living and dining area, you have the following: a 2-seater sofa, coffee table, flat screen TV with DVD player and speakers, and 4-seater dining table with chairs. All units come with intercom so you can connect easily with a concierge. This unit is perfect for small families, maybe with 1 kid, or a single young professional with lots of clothes. And for your bathroom, you get everything you need. You have your sink here, your water closet, your telephone shower, and your water heater down below. You also get accessories like your towel hanger, your shelf right here, and a stainless steel basket for your toiletries. Now, as we have mentioned in our earlier episode, Azure has 2 base themes, Asian modern and downtown chic. This is downtown chic. It has white kitchen cabinets and a lighter flooring. Now for a fully furnished package, you get the following: a 4-burner cooktop with your range hood, your ref with freezer, your microwave oven, and as part of the standard package, your solid surface countertop which is white, your sink and faucet, and your fully functioning kitchen cabinets. In Azure, you get different configurations for 2-bedroom units, and we're showing you one of them. This is the master bedroom, which has floor-to-ceiling windows and your access door to your spacious balcony. You also have your bed here, your aircon, which is part of the fully furnished package, but as part of the standard package, you also get your closet. Here we are inside the 2nd bedroom, which could be your kids' bedroom, your guest bedroom, or if you're single, you can turn it into your walk-in closet or workspace. With a room like this, I can stay here all day. Now, if you're looking for an instant vacation right when you get home, the Azure is truly your best bet for that resort-inspired lifestyle in this side of the metro. Life's truly a beach here at the Azure Urban Resort Residences. If you want to learn more about this property, click on the link down below. This has been Jules. Thanks for dropping by here at Condo Goals Open House. See you next time!